It is already a bad start to the vlog. My God, guys. It is Sunday, 12 past 11. Anyways, basically, I'm on my way to the gym. I finished my shift, as you can probably tell. Today's been quite boring, but it's okay. You know why? Because it's a new week. The markets is open. We're going to have some fun. I was editing the video last night and I realized there's a lot of things I learned. So yeah, I'm going to make sure to do better this week and obviously the rest of the weeks. It was nice, you know. I was happy with the video. I had a few laughs. Let me know what you think in the comments, or obviously make sure that you go check out the video. I'm going to make my way to the gym now. So see you guys soon. We are at the station right now, as you can see, Covent Garden Station. We got HIIT training today, so HIIT training, back and biceps. So it should be fine. Literally, I'm only doing 2 exercises, so it's fine. Literally 5 by 5. The HIIT training is what we're looking to benefit from. Like the muscle training is just like kind of like maintenance, you know. It's currently 11:23. So we could make it to the gym before midnight. That would be sweet. But yeah, anyways, see you guys soon. 6:28 and it's Monday. Well, yeah, it's Monday. I'm still up from Sunday. I probably made the most. Actually, to be fair, nah, I don't know. I'm not sure if I made a bad decision or not, but I made a decision. It's done now. So basically, I took buys on gold, and as you can see, it was that 919. Best way to put it is that I don't know why I closed, because I'm supposed to close if my invalidation criteria kicked in or if price reverses, but neither happened and I closed the position. Right now, if you can see, gold is at 936 and moving. It's a mistake that I've made, and I feel like it's a mistake. Yeah, it's definitely a mistake I made, so I just gotta live with it, stick to the plan. So anyways, now the account is here. Just have to wait and see. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get some sleep now so that I can wake up, because I have some things to do when I wake up. I just thought I'd give a quick update before I head off to sleep. Obviously, I'm gonna be with the charts, so I'll wake up at 8 o'clock and figure out what to do next with the 4 hour. But we have to wait and see what happens after the 4 hour close. Otherwise, I'm just gonna put myself in danger, as you can probably imagine. I'll see you when I wake up, hopefully with an update, or if I get in a position while I'm supposed to be sleeping, I'll give you an update. It is peak. Well, right now it's 1:14. After I make this quick update, I'm gonna make sure to get ready. I haven't found any opportunities with gold yet, so it's just a waiting game right now. I've put specific zones on the 1 hour time frame to make sure that we could potentially get some entries, but for now we just have to wait, as you probably know. I gotta go to work now. I'll see you guys shortly. So I'm at work and currently it's 8:05. I got into a trade. I mean, I've been in many trades. First of all, let me show you what trades I've been in today. This is all we've done today. My actual account, we are back here. Here we are. So as you can see, I'm not taking any trades yet. I'm gonna wait until the next day. The mistake I made was that I didn't stick to the plan of not closing the position until the price reversed. But obviously, because I guess you could kind of say I took it upon myself to just close the position, which was wrong of me. And I'm definitely taking that lesson on board. I'm back from the gym early. Yeah, it's mad because there was like moments where I was feeling like, rah, I've probably missed out on the buys of gold. There's two things. The first one is that I should not be thinking like that. That's the first thing. And it's already out of my mind. Like now I'm just waiting for the 4 hour and waiting for the 4 hour to come to my area. If it doesn't come, then whatever, you know. Secondly, I've already entered the position with my R&D account. I realized that yesterday I was calling it experimental account, or maybe it was like last week. The R&D account. The R&D account, yeah. Like we're just gonna have to wait and see. I mean, I've put stops at break even. This is where we're at right now. So it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out. So I don't know if you know this, but now I put my stops at 5 pips. My stop loss, when it comes to break even, I always put it at 5 pips. So at least I can pay for the commission, I suppose, you know. And then, yeah, go from there. So I don't put it exactly at break even. I feel like that's, I don't know. I just don't do it. I'm just going to wait and see what happens. I would say that what I'm looking for, I'm gonna go on Zoom and we're gonna continue this conversation. Either one of these, if we stay above here, we can buy. If we stay above here, we can buy.
And that's it. Remember, this is like the blank zone. So right now it's just buys, and we'll have to wait and see what's gonna happen here. But yeah, right now I think the 1 hour was bearish. Yeah, so the 1 hour was bearish, but it didn't close back in the range, kind of. I think if we had more rejections, it would have been nicer. But yeah, we just gotta wait for the 4 hour, man. We're just gonna wait for the 4 hour. I'm gonna go live on YouTube and just chill and hopefully let's see how this 4 hour candle closes and where we go from there. So see you shortly.
I've just arrived at work and I feel so sick. My God, I don't feel good. I don't feel good. It's not nice right now how I'm feeling. 2:36. I've got 24 minutes to start. My legs are hurting as well. I don't even know why. I tried taking some buys. If you're in the Telegram, you would know. This is what the deal is right now. We've been stopped out of all of the trades. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, we're just gonna wait. We have some time. We have like an hour and 24 minutes before we can probably enter a position, but I'm just feeling drained, I can't lie. Yeah, it's peak. But my head hurts. I feel weak right now. But we have to keep pushing. That's why I'm here today. That's why I'm here at work. Otherwise, I could have been weak and I could have said, okay, guys, I'm not coming in today. Would have messed up the whole motion. But yeah, anyways, I thought I'd give you this quick update. I'm going to try to lie down now and rest my head for 15 minutes and then we'll go from there. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a nice update soon. Guys, I've finally made it out the workplace. Right now, it's 1:19. We are currently sitting like this. I can't lie, my head hurts so much. And to be honest, I don't even want to go to the gym. But I was saying, if I'm working this job and I'm running like how I'm running, I said, yeah, I have to go to the gym now. There's no way that I'm just going to let this pass. So I've missed the train. I'm going to have to take the bus. I should have a next update soon. But for now, let's see what happens with this gold trade. It's 5:43. I went to the gym and I don't know. I went to the gym, I done the HIIT training and I got out. That's pretty much it. We are at 4K. To be honest, I'm going to give a better reaction tomorrow because now, like, I haven't got the energy. But I want to show you, like, right now we're in this position. I think we're going to make it to newer all-time highs, but we have to wait and see. There's no TP set. I'm feeling under the weather, so yeah, I'm just gonna continue with my nighttime routine and then just, go to sleep and then I'll be back tomorrow. I've never felt this pain before. And even imagine doing HIIT training and have the headache. It's peak. Because if I'm not mistaken, the more intense the workout, I don't know what the science behind it is, but my head was just hurting even more. And I forced myself through 12 intervals. It was peak. I'm gonna cut off now and see you guys tomorrow, hopefully with some good news. I have folded and I've disappeared. I've got a lot to say. Bear with me in these dark hours. Right now, it's 2:53 and it's Thursday. I've folded. What do I mean I've folded? This is what has happened today. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but yeah, this is what's happened today. I say I folded because I was uncertain about... I panicked. I panicked to close the position. If I didn't, looking at the price action now, I'm going to go into Zoom and I'm going to show you.
If you can ignore this candle, yeah, this candle opened, right? And I was thinking to myself, okay, we've got no range. The nearest range is this one, and even this range is little. Like at most, you're probably looking at 77 to 41, yeah. That's like just under 300 pips, right? I was saying to myself, okay, let me try and find the place where we can buy. All I have to do now is just wait for a candle to print like in a weird way, like in a dodgy way, showing that, okay, there's no pressure to come down anymore and we should just buy the dip. The first mistake I made is that I should have waited for this candle to close, yeah, because driving down as it's... First of all, this one, it technically broke out and closed back inside the range, yeah? Even if it rejected the support, at least the 26, let's say. So anyways, it was pushing down further. I was thinking, okay, maybe this is the time, it's time to buy. And that's where the mistake was, because this candle could have come all the way down. That's where the first mistake was. Now I've moved on to the 1 hour. Ignoring this was kind of the confirmation, like, okay, we could come down. And I think I tried to get in the sales here, but then I closed it because I was thinking, like, doesn't make sense. But I kind of bitched out, I'm not gonna lie. I should have been more ballsy, you know, as they would say. The 1 hour close like this, right? Rejecting this area, right? You see it. We rejected this area. Yeah. So I was saying to myself, okay, fine. If we've rejected this area, now it's gonna want to push up, right? So what did I do? I said, okay, I'm slapping buys. I put the stop loss here. TP was wherever it needs to go. Here's where the gift and the curse of the reversal kicks in, yeah. If we forget these two candles, yeah, and if we just go based off of how this one closed, I was thinking to myself, okay, fine. We've kept up here, so we should just continue to push up, yeah. Now, listen, I don't think it's wrong, right? I feel like we can still definitely push up. I think this is a good support area that we've literally drawn now even. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how we land. I might even end up putting in a buy on my real account, depending on how the situation proceeds. Now, what's happened is that we've come up and I was thinking, oh my days. Like, yo, I'm firming it. I'm firming it for the 1 hour close because I know that it's gonna be worthwhile if we continue to push up, right? The candles close like this. Next thing you know, this one's come down. It's come towards my stop loss. I'm thinking, oh shit, it's about to go down. And then I said, looking at the 1 hour, yeah, could this really happen? So I put in extra bias. I'm risking 5% of the account at this time. So I was thinking to myself, okay, let's do it. You know, uh, yeah, I guess you could say I was feeling ballsy, but I mean, it's not a big deal, you know, the risk, because my risk reward is usually high, you know, like we're talking like 1 to 4, 1 to 6 or more, you know, it could come down. Right. So I was saying to myself, okay, we've come down. Let me enter the position. Price reversed. It came back up to 26. Now I've moved down to the 30-minute time frame. So now I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame. This is where everything happened. Yeah. So literally, this 30-minute candle closed like this. Yeah. And then after that, this one came down. And that's when I said, okay, let me buy. And then what happened is that this one was kind of floating around 27. So I was saying to myself, we could just close doji here and just come back down. And I was thinking, man, I mean, looking at it now, like I would have been holding on to the position, G. I would have got stopped out at break even. I was kind of beating myself up about it because it'd be pushed up to 36. I was thinking, damn, an extra 100 pips. Damn. I don't know because for me, what triggered me to say, okay, I'm closing the position is that I went down to the 15-minute time frame. I went down and I saw this and I said, yeah, cool, I'm out. I'm done. I'm not staying in this position. So as soon as I saw that, I said, yeah, guys, I'm out. Bye. Literally, I closed the position as soon as I saw there was no bottom wick. Let me know what you guys think about the breakdown I gave, about my theory, or even just anything to do with trading. Just drop a comment. Let me know, and I'll be happy to have discussions with you guys, you know, about my trading or your trading. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. You've seen the breakdown. And currently it's 3:57 Thursday. Man, I was looking at my demo account. The demo account had 25 bags inside, yeah. If you don't know what bags is, bags means thousands. So it had 25,000 inside. I remember, I was just thinking to myself, rah, like, I'm going to be trading this size soon. I need to make sure that I'm solid before I even step into that realm, you know? Because, okay, yeah, I'm putting hard-earned money into it. So like 10 months worth of work, let's say, yeah. Bearing in mind, like, life circumstances can change in the future, whatever. To throw all of it away, you know, all of the stuff I've done now to get me where I am now, to throw it all away after getting all the way up to 25, let's say, yeah, forget about like 100 or half a mil, yeah, and then to let it all go to waste. Like, I was thinking, nah, the system has to be solid before the risk management system. And the trading system has to be solid before I even touch like kind of numbers, because at that point it's like it's life-changing now, you know. But we still have to stay locked in and focused and do the right things, you know. So yeah, let's see. Tomorrow should be fun, and we will make sure to behave maturely today. So yeah, see you guys later. I've been up from a nap. I've literally just been, to be honest, I've been quite silly today. Like, everything that I usually do on my days off, I did not do today. And I need to make sure that I do it. I mean, I've still got lots of time. Right now, it's still Thursday.
It's Thursday, 4:42. To be honest, you know what happened? Like the markets, they just kind of demotivated me in a way. I don't know if that's right for me to say, but yeah, like I tried to take buys on gold and I didn't get stopped out, but my break even got hit. I feel like I need to. The mistake I made was that yeah, I put the stop at break even. Like if I got stopped out, fair enough, but I didn't give it a chance, you know. It's funny, guys. I'm not even happy. Like it's so mad. I don't know. Like FOMO comes in all shapes and sizes, so you have to be careful. You have to dodge it. You know. And then you also need to take risk as well, man. If you know that a specific area, you can buy the dip, buy it, or sell the top if you want to. You know. But yeah, don't be like me. Don't be a coward, man. I'm trying not to be a coward, man. I'm really trying, guys. But yeah, I can't lie, man. This morning I folded. Today I folded as well. We can't fold. We can't fold.
I don't even know how to start this, guys, because it has been one hell of an afternoon, you know. So let me just show you quickly. Time, BST. So right now it's 8:59, yeah, and it's Thursday. I can't lie, I feel cooked. I feel cooked. Look at what happened. Let me tell you something, yeah. I don't know why the hell I was trying to give gold the benefit of the doubt, yeah. When I saw the retest here and then the close back here and what do you call it? I was saying, you know what, maybe this is just like trying to be a fake out for sales, whatever. Bearing in mind I didn't try. But anyways, it's besides the point. Like I was thinking about like what I've learned from Mark Douglas. What I started to notice like micro things. I would be thinking about how I'm acting with the 1 hour or how I'm acting with the 4 hour, etc. And I'm saying, am I trying to predict or am I trying to flow with the markets? You know, I noticed that I was trying to predict the markets, which was wrong. And this is the kind of price action now that I should be appreciating and enjoying now because now this is everything to do with my system, you know. Now we've got ranges being built. We've got fresh ranges. Now it's just about taking advantage of it, you know. I was a bit concerned at the beginning because when I saw the drop, I was thinking to myself, bro, like, what's wrong with you? You know, you didn't see the opportunity to buy, so why didn't you try the opportunity to sell? You know? So now I'm gonna wait for the market to close, and then we've got the Asian session. It's 9 o'clock, so I've packed my bag, I'm ready for work. I'm gonna read, I'm gonna chill, and then we'll see what happens in the Asian session. We'll see how the market closes. I don't know how I feel, man. Honestly, guys, I don't know how I feel because I've been having thoughts about the lot sizes, you know, and I thought I've already like not figured it out, you know. But the the truth is the amount of trades that I've taken this week, it makes me realize like, wow, am I really sure that me wanting to use, for example, 0.4, 0.5, is that the right thing to do? You know, because, you know, if we look at it realistically, 0.5, 0.4, that's anywhere between 15 to 20% of their account, you know, and if that's five, for example, let's keep it simple. For example, 0.5 lots, yeah. 0.5 lots. If you with the stop loss that I have, right? If I lose 5 trades, that's a grand, that's a bag, right? That means that's already a third of the account gone, you know? So how many tries? How many try? It's like it's not. It's you probably got a max of 10 tries. I mean, this is all I had to say. We gotta stay strong. I'll see you soon. with another update. It will be in the Asian session tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys later.
It's currently Friday and it's 5:26. Guys, you don't know what I've been on since like 11 o'clock or since I got off of the zoo. To summarize, like I said, I was reading, so I read chapter 10 and Mark Douglas was talking about beliefs. Get rid of your beliefs, but you can remove the energy in that belief and put the energy into another belief, right? You can transfer the energy. So I was thinking to myself, okay, this is not good, because that means that I've probably got beliefs that I'm unaware of and I need to try and transfer the energy. So, I mean, it's not to say that I've spent the whole night literally just trying to figure out what the beliefs were, no, but it was like part of it. After that, like, what's the logic behind lot sizes, you know? And I know, for example, for the experienced traders listening, I know you're going to talk about like probabilities and basically being able to last long in the game, etc. But I didn't feel like that's a good enough reason for why you can only use a specific lot size, you know? I think that there are different varies, you know, and you know, when you think about it, you know, I have to put my stop loss exactly where I put the, well, how I'm thinking about it is that I have to put my stop loss exactly in a new zone that is potentially at risk of getting taken out, because remember, we don't know which way the market's going, so it could come to the stop loss and then it could continue in the direction, or it could just reverse in general, you know. So I'm quite skeptical on like scaling in on positions, and I'd prefer to just have like one position and just let it work, you know. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, like I feel like I'm so switched off, it's mad. I feel so switched off, it's dark. It's dark. Yeah. I'm not happy about that. But we need to fix up. This cannot continue. It's so mad, I don't know. Like thinking about it, I genuinely don't know. Because it's not like as if I'm doing the wrong things. But I am doing the wrong things, if that makes sense. I shouldn't be doing what I'm doing. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go. I'll see you tomorrow, or I'll see you in like 3 hours, 4 hours. I've basically rushed out of my house. I was looking at the appointment time and it said, oh, the appointment's at 9 o'clock. I don't have my phone right now, but basically when I woke up, it was basically 9:15. I said, okay, fine, cool. Let me confirm with the appointment details. Guys, the appointment said, oh yeah, 9 o'clock, you have to be at the dentist. I thought, fuck. Just snapped on the clothes and I'm gone. I don't know if you can see with my face, but I literally just woke up and I've just rushed out the house. It got to the point, yeah, where my mum was in the bathroom. And if you know when my mum's in the bathroom, yeah, I was like, oh yeah, shit, I'm gonna have to go to the dentist and use the toilet, yeah. As soon as my mum, she heard that, she said, no, you can't leave the house without using the bathroom. So anyways, I got to use it. But yeah, guys, it's dark. Anyways, I'm on my way. I'll have an update soon. It's currently 9:55. And yeah, I haven't taken any trades yet. The last trade I took was this silly one. I'm gonna try to get ready for work in the next 2 hours so that I have time to do what needs to be done. And then yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon. Guys, I've made it to work. Everything's good. We are cool. It's 7:43. It's late for an update, but I had to rush outside of the house. I was very late. I was like 11 minutes late for work. It's okay. But yeah, I'm pretty much done trading for the week. I tried to take sales, but didn't go to plan, but it's okay. I ended up basically closing at break even, which is good. But yes, I'll have a proper update with you soon. Right guys, so I'm out of work. Guys, look at me. I'm in my gym clothes because work was so crazy. Work was so crazy that I ended up ripping my trousers and my shirt looks like... So right now it's 2:30 and guys, basically before I couldn't give the update, yeah? But guys, Donald Trump slapped 100% tariffs on China again, which has flipped the markets again. I'm gonna make sure that I stay solid and do the right things, you know? But yeah, it was interesting. It was interesting. I was even tempted to be like, oh yeah, let me jump in some trade when the 4 hour closes. But then I thought, nah, let me leave it. You know, I was done. Just trying to figure out like what exactly is going on with my trading currently, like from a operations point of view. And yeah, I managed to sort it out. So now it's just about applying and just, yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. I'm on my way to the gym and then, yeah, I'll see you guys soon. It's currently Saturday, 1:09. What has been going on? Basically nothing. I went to the gym, done what I needed to do. I got home, done what I needed to do. Guys, this is where things went wrong, yeah? The problem is that me, as an idiot, I've been playing Call of Duty, yeah? I don't know if I've said this or not. Playing Call of Duty for like a few weeks now. But this is where the issue is, isn't it? Because once I start playing, I can't stop. It's peak. It's peak. So, I mean, this morning I had control, like, well, I say control, like, it probably took me until like the 5th, this is the last game, to to actually stop, you know? So today's pretty much the last day of the episode until we move on to next week. But today I slept, I suppose. I was gonna meet my auntie today, but literally I went to bed at like probably 7:30. I'm done with Call of Duty. I'm done. Cause it's peak. It's not even like I'm playing Call of Duty for fun, you know? It's like I'm trying to be objective with Call of Duty. And that's what makes it even worse, because the moment I turn objective, it's peak. Like I'm basically unstoppable. Like it's dark. So I need to make sure that I cut it out. I cut it out, and yeah, that's it pretty much. I know that I've been making this mistake of not filming properly, like, and I need to make sure that I fix up on that. Another reason for why I should stop playing Call of Duty, because Call of Duty is preventing me to do things right, because I just get distracted from it. Like I said, for now I'm just gonna get ready for work, and then the rest will take care of it. And then, yeah, make sure I leave the house early, because even the Piccadilly line is closed, guys. I'm drained, but you know the work doesn't stop. So I'm currently on my way to Leicester Square Station, because obviously the Piccadilly line is closed. Yeah, I was gonna shoot in the change room, but then I thought, nah, if the manager comes, he's gonna complain, oh, why you didn't clock out yet? So anyways, it's fine. I could have done much better than I did, you know? It all started from when I closed the position on Monday, when I closed it early. All I had to do was leave it, but yeah, I just closed it. So that's when things started to go wrong, and I kind of had the wrong mindset. But anyways, it's all right, it's done now. So moving on to next week, yeah, we just got to make sure that we're solid. There's a lot of lessons learned and a lot of things that need working on. Do let me know what you think in the comments. If there's anything I might have missed out, or something that I need to like include in the videos, etc. Oh yeah, crap. And I forgot. Right now, it's Sunday, 1:33. I'll see you in the next episode for what will hopefully be a successful, productive week. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you later.